Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy your stay. With that being said, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. But also turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. For today's video, I will be unboxing September 2020 Nailboxy subscription box. Alright y'all, let's get started. So looks like we have new goodies. Really looking forward to opening this Nailboxy's box. Alright, so some of the featured products that we have here. These are the Libra Nails brushes in number 7 and 10. We also have a set of 100 short nail forms, and it looks like they go up to level 5. And then we also have a pack of assorted pearls, and they come in different shapes. So this is pretty exciting, you guys. Look at these. This pack right here, actually it's 3D flowers, and they come in my favorite color, which is red. So this is so cute. We have full access to a 2-character nail art class, and it's actually a $50 course value. I'm really looking forward to this one right here. And a crystal nail palette, which comes in a blue aqua color. You guys, these boxes keep getting better and better. I will say I'm super excited to learn how to draw, especially since I love Disney characters. But actually my #1 favorite has always been Mickey Mouse, so looking forward to drawing Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck on a nail. Can you believe this? On a nail. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, stay blessed. Until next time.